This is Harder Hall, a 90,000 square foot golf resort in Sebring, Florida that boasts 134 rooms, a mezzanine-style lobby, a massive great room, and an equally exquisite banquet room, with huge French doors overlooking the lake. The Spanish colonial-style resort first opened its doors in 1927, just before the end of Florida's 1920s land boom. During the 1920s, many parts of Florida was labeled as a tropical paradise. This image drew in investors from across the country that began purchasing and developing land all across the Sunshine State. It was built in Sebring because it was a stop on the Atlantic Coastline Railroad, a railway that served numerous passenger trains that were filled with Florida-bound tourists at the time. The original owners, Lewis Harder and Vincent Hall, sold the hotel in 1953 to Victor and David Jacobson. The two brothers converted the golf course into a championship-style course where they later held several professional events. In 1967, they opened up the Harder Hall Golf and Tennis Camp, one of the first golf schools in the world. The hotel attracted travelers from all over the world and was one of the finest of its time, but eventually, its golden ages would come to a halt in 1982 when the owners sold the building to a group of investors who went bankrupt attempting to convert the building into timeshares. It was sold to a Floridian investor in 2004 who made the most progress renovating it, but ran out of funds in 2006. By 2007, the hall was purchased at auction by the city of Sebring, who kept a close eye on it for the next 10 years. In 2017, the property was finally purchased for $2.3 million by South Florida Senior Living. Today, the building sits abandoned on Little Lake Jackson, silently awaiting a revival to its former glory. So as you can see, they were in the middle of renovating, and it looks like this is the point where they stopped.
Yeah, enter the twilight.
You could.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension
So I guess this is like the nicest suite that was here. It's pretty big. Got a little patio. The other one of these that I saw on a different floor had a jacuzzi in it. Look at the way that they did that. I think that's the bathroom. That is just awesome. I can't even imagine this place when it was in its heyday. Alright guys, so it's storming pretty badly right now. Ah. I'm trying to get to the top of this building so I can get some cool shots.
Come, didn't I? I said it'd be great if it rained, you have nothing to worry about. It brought the eight.
Holy shit. I'm almost positive that the building just got struck. Oh my god. Pretty sure that the building just got struck. Holy crap. Ridiculously windy up here. Like I said, the building just got struck, so I definitely don't want to be in here for long. I would go up there, but this wind is just ridiculous.
See, this is it right here. See that?
That's what.
This is what shocked.
Like a major.
See, the wire is years ago they coated it with fabric insulation instead of rubber.
Weird. So you saw one of these spark when the lightning hit?
Yeah, right next to it.
Yeah.
But when you get grants, you usually have to match the grants.
Oh, it's not like they give you a grant and you're like, oh, here we go.